Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to solve XLS cannot be accessed. The file may be corrupted located on a server that is not responding, or read-only error. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix this error using 7 fixes. Solution 1, check the length of file name. The first solution you can try is checking the length of Excel file name. When .xls/.xlsx file name size crosses the maximum limit of 17 characters, then you may receive this error. Therefore, ensure your file name should cross the limit of 17 characters. Solution 2, ignore dynamic data exchange, DDE. Another method you can try is ignoring dynamic data exchange feature in Excel. To do so, open MS Excel and click on Options. Go to the Advanced tab and uncheck the box Ignore other applications that use dynamic data exchange, DDE, under the General section. Solution 3, open Microsoft Excel in safe mode. The next solution you can try is to open Excel in safe mode. This step will be helpful if the problem is being caused due to one of the installed add-ins. To do so, open the Run dialog box using Win+R keys. Type Excel/safe and press Enter. Microsoft Excel will now open in safe mode. Solution 4, update the Excel app to the latest version. Updating Excel application to the latest version can also assist you to overcome XLS cannot be accessed. The file may be corrupted located on a server error. Open the Microsoft Excel application. Click the Account option. Click Update Options. And click Update Now to check for updates for the Office app. And update it to the latest version. Solution 5, turn off the hardware acceleration. Enabling hardware acceleration improves the performance of the Excel application, but, in a few cases, it troubles users and shows annoying errors including XLS cannot be accessed. The file error. Once you can disable this feature to check whether it can fix the issue. To do so, open Excel file that is showing error. Go to the file, then Options. Now, click on Advanced. Then, find and check Disable Hardware Graphics Acceleration box under Display. Click OK. Solution 6, repair Microsoft Office. A corrupted or damaged Microsoft Office can also lead to this message. You can fix it by repairing the Microsoft Office files. For this, you have to close all running MS Office programs. Then, open the Control Panel. Click Programs. Then Programs and Features. Select Microsoft Office. Right-click it and click Change. Select between Quick Repair and Online Repair. Then, click Repair. This repair process may take some time. Once done, check your Excel program and files for the error. Solution 7, use Excel Repair Tool. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve XLS cannot be accessed, the file may be corrupted, then you can download the Excel Repair Tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about how to fix XLS cannot be accessed. The file may be corrupted located on a server error. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.